Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paola, and in case that you're new here, I make videos that are beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the little bell icon so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Today's video is a little informal, as you guys can tell. I'm coming to you from my bathroom, and if you hear my family in the background, we're Dominican, we're loud. They don't mean any harm. Anyway, so I thought this was a perfect opportunity to kind of show you guys, without coughing, hopefully, show you guys my nighttime skincare routine and like how I take off my makeup and what I do before bed. This is different than like what I would do during the day, or even when it's like skincare day, which is like mask and the whole nine. This is a lot quicker and a lot simpler, I think. It's not that simple, but nothing with me ever is. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is take a makeup wipe and remove as much of the like just extra makeup as much as possible. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I don't have makeup wipes right now. I ran out. So I'm using good old baby wipes. Like, I keep these on deck. So, and these are good, at least because I have so many other steps. So I'm just using a baby wipe and just gonna wipe my face everywhere to try and get as much off as possible. Mascara is always the hardest to get off, in my opinion. Okay, so as you guys can see, I got a bunch of stuff off. I didn't even have to use the back really, even though I probably will, just to get in there with the mascara. Because see, mascara never stops coming off. I usually have mascara on, well, not really, because the next product kind of breaks it down, but I kind of just like pinch it. Like, imagine this was my lashes. I kind of do that too. So that kind of gets a lot of it off. Especially, I don't know if you've seen my other video, but you should, and a link will be down below. But I like to stack my mascara for every day so that I don't have to wear lashes every single day, because I feel like lash glue kind of pulls your own lashes out. That's just what I feel. Anyway, so once I'm done with that step, pretty much, and don't forget your neck, because, you know, I apply all the way to my neck. That's no highlight. That's just my natural skin glowing. Anyway, so, oops, I dropped it. Oh, I forgot to mention, before I do any of this, wash your hands. Like, make sure you're working with clean hands. So I did wash my hands before I started filming, but of course I didn't think to film that part because it's common sense to me. Like, you don't want to do anything with your skin with dirty hands. Anyway, the next thing that I do is I use this, the Clinique Take the Day Off makeup remover. This is like my third bottle of this. I love this stuff, and I use this one. I know that they have the balm, but I don't like balms on my eyes. I feel like I can't open my eyes and stuff is going to get in it, so I like the liquid one instead. Hold on. So what I do is I get these little cotton pads from Dollar Tree, and or cotton rounds, and what I'll do is I'll just take one. I'm on with it. So I'll take a little cotton round and shake this up a little, because you'll see like the oil and the stuff starts to separate. So when you shake it up, it becomes like a milky color. And then I just kind of pour it. Oops. Of course I would do that because I'm not clumsy at all. So so I soaked a little cotton round, and then I just kind of go to work. I do it all over my face. It does make your face feel a little oily, but that's just the oil to break down any and all the makeup that's left on there. And you can open your eye right after and be fine. But you see all the crap that was on there. So I take the half the round and do half my face, or one side of the round and do half of my face. You see, I'm really focused on the mascara because I hate having raccoon eyes the next day. Alright, so now that that's done, what I like to do, especially on days that I wear makeup, is I like to go in with a scrub. I'll either use a general face scrub, or I'll use a Visibly Even. I think it's Neutrogena Visibly Even. But I use just about any scrub that I really like. This is one of the ones that I really like. It's the Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing Scrub, or Blackhead Eraser Scrub. And I tend to get blackheads on my nose, so something's wrong. Oh, it's the oil. So I will go in with a scrub first just to get anything that's like gunked up in my pores out and my skin can stay glowing. So let me go ahead and do that. Whew. So I'm aware that I look a little wet doggish right now, but we're not done, so it's no point in me drying off my face. So the next thing I like to do after I went in with a scrub to kind of like really get in there and exfoliate my skin, I'll go in there with this, the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel. This is a lot milder of a cleaner, but it really like, it makes your face feel super like cool and clean. So I just go with a little bit of this. Usually I have a little scrubby thing. I cannot find a little scrubby thing for the life of me. I can't find it anywhere. So I'm just gonna go in with my fingers in little circular motions. So now that my face is wet, I'm just pouring a little bit, you know, and it's like a clear gel. It's nothing super spectacular. And then I'm just gonna go in. See, you can see it starting to lather up. Alright, now let me take this on. What I like to do is go in on my lips just to make sure that I keep them nice and soft, and you know, sometimes I use lip stains and stuff just to make sure that they remain the color they are and they don't get darker because I already have two-tone lips. So I actually got this sorry. What is that? So I actually got this in a BoxyCharm, and it's this, the, what is that? Anyways, it's the Seraphine Botanicals Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. I usually will do this after I brush my teeth, but we're just gonna do this now. So I just add it straight to my lips and then just kind of like scrub it this way. See, this is what it looks like. It looks kind of crazy, but I promise it makes your lips so soft and it actually tastes like lemonade. So I'll just do this. So I just do that, and now I'm going to take everything off my face. And I'm just using regular water. It's not like hot water or anything. Regular water is fine. Alright, so now that I got everything off my face, the next thing I will tell you is don't use a towel. They have lots of germs. So someone on Twitter actually told me this, and I follow her advice. I just take a regular paper towel and kind of like dab my face. Get all in that nose too. So now that my face is nice and dry, I'm gonna go in with some. Witch hazel. I am using Dickinson's right now, but it's either this or there that I use. And witch hazel is just really good for toning your skin. Excuse me. Witch hazel is really good for toning your skin. So that's what I'm about to do. Again, I'm taking another one of these little cotton rounds, and I'm just going to go to town on my face with some witch hazel. Same thing that I did before. It's just that. Oh, my phone's going up. Now I'm just about to like do this. P.S. I hate the way witch hazel smells, but what you gonna do? So now that it's soaked, I'm just kind of going and tone my face. P.S. A lot of this happens either in the shower or outside of the bathroom, like me walking around with a wipe, taking off my makeup, because usually by the time, and I would love to like put on a face mask too, but I'm not putting on a face mask in this video, nor do I get to do it as often as I want to, because to be quite honest, by the time we get to like this time of night and it's time to like take a shower before bed, I am so exhausted that if I put on a mask, I would probably sleep in it. So it ain't happening unless it's like I said, like I have skincare days like once or twice a week, and then I'll do masks and the whole nine. You heard me say masks. I said that. So okay, so now, yes, I even just toned my ears. I know I'm a little weird. So now that I did that, I'm letting it dry a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with some moisture. Stay tuned. Alright, so now that the witch hazel has had time to soak into my skin and kind of do its thing, I'm going to go in with some moisture. So first up is the Ulta Beauty Aqua Blast Hydrating Beauty Mist. It has hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. So, and it's just really a mist. So this is what it looks like. Really fine mist, but you get a lot on your face. So and just kind of like let that soak in and do its thing. Also let this dry for a minute or two. It really doesn't take that long at all. I just do this most of the time to get it to soak in there. And then depending on the time of day, like if I plan to go out for any reason, then I'll use this, the Cetaphil, what is this, Daily Facial Moisturizer. And this is more what I use during the day, but for nighttime I'll use this, the Lancome Re-Energy Lift. I never can say this, but it's a multi-action and night cream, and this is what it looks like. And I just kind of go in with it. I will use the back of my nails because why not? And just kind of make it happen for my skin. You know what I'm missing, even though I don't really need it because of the lip thing? I did not bring my lip balm in here, but I'll usually put on some lip balm. Any lip balm that works good for you works, like Carmex does wonders. The Nivea one. And I just kind of like slather myself and stuff like this. This stuff I don't like to get too close to my eyes either, just because, you know. Alright, that's it. Look at my skin. My skin looks good. My hair looks crazy, but my skin looks good. Anyways, so that's it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and go ahead and hit that bell icon. What else was I going to say? Oh, tell a friend to tell a friend. You know, help me get discovered by more people, and hopefully this video might help them also. If you want to see anything specific, or if you have any questions about what I did today, or any comments or concerns, whatever, put them down in the comments below. I usually am really good about responding to my comments, so let's do that. And what else? Oh, all my social media will be down below as well. Let's be friends. And I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye guys. I know y'all see my skin though.